Hi. This video is a short one. I just wanted to show a silly redstone system I made. It's a simple train system with stations, using the happy ghast. It all starts with this machine that stops a mine cart between two blocks. When connecting it to a comparator timer, it stops the mine cart for a bit before letting it continue. This is exactly the system under the station stopper part of the machine. But the station itself is a bit more complicated since it needs to be turned on or off. When a ghast arrives at an unrequested station, it just goes by. But when the station is ordered to stop, the ghast stops, rings a bell and opens the gates. When turning a station on, this piston activates, letting the signal from the rail pass on. At the same time, this piston also activates, letting the second rail reset the station. When clicking the note block from the station stopper, it sends a signal to turn the station on, so the ghast stops. That's simply it. I hope you enjoyed this short video and to see you again. Cheers.